What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday, so the reason why there's been a lack of uploads, I believe I have come down with some stomach virus. I believe I got hit with the stomach virus, and this happened a day after Valentine's Day, so like the 15th through now, which is the 16th or the 17th, I don't know what today is. I've been in bed and pooping myself, literally. I pooped myself twice. Well, I thought they were farts, but they weren't farts. And I tell you guys this in case, I don't know, you probably feel bad and buy merch. Speaking of which, buy merch, please. It'll help a lot. Oh man. You guys know how the RSX is always on E? Well, I ran out of gas in the driveway. So a couple days ago, before I got sick, I'm gonna go buy some gas, and now I'm going to put gas in the car so I can go to the post office and mail out those stickers and stuff. Speaking of which, I have all updated stickers and stuff on the website. In case you guys are interested in running some Marauder / Zosh merch. I also bought a new steering wheel. Dude, I'm so out of it. But I need to film because I need to get paid, man. Hey, bro, this is my full-time thing, baby. I gotta upload. You gotta fight through the. God damn, I can't even. God damn it, boy.
I walked in the park. I'm on my big.
Oh, look at that. Half tank. It feels so good to feel somewhat. Where's my wallet? God damn it. I was on Facebook Marketplace the other day and I bought this brand new, well, I mean, it came with a box and I think it's new. Brand new grip wheel steering wheel for $100, man. You know, at lowball. Guy was like 200. I was like 100. He took my offer. So my sparkle wheel is going back in the tag, and then the grip royal is going here. Ta-da! I like perforated leather, man. It just feels so solid, bro. Now I am on my way to the post office and then Walmart, because I gotta get some bananas, some applesauce, some body armor. I need to hit the gym, bro. I feel like 50 Cent in that one movie, dog. Yeah, this ain't it, bro, at all. What a pretty successful trip. We went to Walmart, we went to the post office. I got the things I needed from Walmart, some body armors, some chicken, and a biscuit. Crackers, these things slap. Some bagels, some applesauce, some bananas, and yeah, that's pretty much what I got. I also ordered this one piece in the mail for my push button by a company called Division RA. I believe that's the name of it. If I'm wrong, and I'm sorry. I'll have a link down below in the description box in case you guys want to order it. It's not a sponsored video or anything like that. I actually paid for it. Isn't that surprising? Yeah, like I don't be buying my parts. I buy my parts, bruh. It's just that company stuff with your boy. You know what I mean? They love what I do. They're like, yo, we want to, you know what I mean? Gotta have the juice, baby. Gotta have the juice, dog. I don't know where the hell I put that part though. But once I find it, I can show you it. And so you guys know how I have this set up for my push to start button. Now we're gonna have that OEM John right here, playboy. This company called Division RA. I'm pretty sure I got that name wrong again. Name on the screen and link in the description in case you guys want to buy this, in case you have your push to start button and you want the OEM unit. They sell these for like 35 bucks plus free shipping. So hell yeah, 3D printed, made in the US of A. Yeah. So basically I have to notch out this piece right here, and then this will sit flush in there once this is notched, and I can put my I can pull this out right here. Yeah, okay, cool. I can put my thing back in, my mirror stuff, which is right here. So, yep, it's time to go from ashy to classy. UV! Solid. Check me out, bro. Check me out. And then now, all this thing do right here. Let me see. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Ba-doop, 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 ba-doop. This just goes like this. Now we look official, boy. We look official for only 35 bucks. I didn't even show you guys how it looked like. Shame, shame, shame. But that is how it now looks. OEM plus, bro. OEM plus. That looks so solid. Woo-wee. This vlog potentially sucked, but that's okay. If you guys ever dealt with the stomach virus or anything along that sort, anything stomach related pain, bro, it's the worst. It is the absolute worst. Bro, like, I was pooping straight water, dog, out of my ass. Like, it's disgusting. What you think is as far as actually doo-doo, then you gotta jump out of bed at like 5 o'clock in the morning. It's disgusting. But in good news, I did receive my PCI trailing arm bushings in the mail today. These are spherical trailing arm bushings from Brian, who owns Pro Car Innovations, aka PCI. And yeah, so these are going to be getting installed fairly soon. Can't wait for that. I want to say thank you to everybody who put in an order for their collector's kit of Nami and Cristino, some shirts, along with limited edition stickers. Bro, I really appreciate it. You guys are helping me reach my goal towards of getting a new place, new cars for the channel, like just overall helping the channel. Like, a lot of us creators really, you know, try their best to show appreciation. With me, that's why I always try my absolute best to link with you guys any way I can, whether it's with Discord or Facebook messages, Instagram DMs. Like, I try my best to show y'all love, for y'all always showing love, and just like helping me out, man. Like, it means a lot to know that, you know, you guys are willing to spend your hard-earned dollars on your boy. And there's some people like, yo, why would I spend 60 bucks on 2 shirts and 2 stickers? Because it's collectors. It's collector items, bro. Like, I don't want you to wear this stuff. I want you to like keep it. Like, when I package it and send it to you, it's gonna be like in this type of collector's thing. You know what I mean? I want it to be cherished in case anything happens. You know what I mean? That's why you gotta act fast. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try my best to take the things I needed to feel better, so tomorrow I can get back on the upload train and just upload some content so I can get paid. Marauder banners in black are now stocked on the website. Marauder decals and oil slick is stocked. Just go check the website out for oil slick items and stuff like that. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, then leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.